Hello once again, my boys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your setup, my boys. So, as you can see here, my dankness, like the best game in the world. Here's my setup, by the way. Like it, my boys? Hope you do. There's my guitar and my bass and my zombies perks. But anyway, that's not what I'm doing today. So, this is an assignment. But anyways, so if you want to change your setup and move your PS4 and stuff, you're gonna have to do it safely anyways, so it doesn't get corrupted and stuff. What you're gonna want to do, okay? So look, hold the PS4 button. It's that one right there. But I got a knockoff because I'm poor, and it's wired too. So shut up. And what you're gonna want to do, scroll all the way down with this button if you've never used a PS4. Which, where are you watching this video anyways? If you never. And right here, my boys, you're gonna see there's a whole bunch of settings. Enter rest mode, switch user, log out of PS4. Now, don't press enter rest mode. It's not gonna be able to do that. You're gonna want not restart either. You're gonna want to go to turn off PS4, my boys. Okay, my boys. Press that with this button, the X button, okay? Then, you're gonna want to wait until the PS4, with McDonald's sticker, you're gonna wait until it goes ahead and stops showing any signs of life. Okay, my boys? And then once, there it is. Now it's dead. And now, you can go ahead and, unplug it safely. Right here, my boys. Unplug it. And then you can go ahead and reset your stuff, my boys. You can change your setup like that. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to smash that like button in the face, and I'll see you guys later.